Hello there, Karin here on behalf of Makers Mercantile with the top 5 things to look for in today's newsletter. Item number 1, got it upside down, Gesa Flo. Gesa Flo is a baby yarn that was developed by Clemens Zitron of Zitron Yarn in Germany, specifically for little children. When he started having grandkids, he wanted something that was totally luxurious and perfect for his grandchildren. So what he developed was a 100% merino that has the softness of a cashmere. It's a 16 micron. Something worth looking up on Google, microns, if you're interested in knowing. Don't have enough time to tell you all about it, but a 16 micron is equivalent to a cashmere, and it really feels lovely, very, very soft. Great for a tender baby's skin. He also made sure that it passed the Oeko-Tex highest standards, which means that if babies put this in their mouth and suck on it, there's absolutely no residues from the dyes or anything else that can make them ill and sick. And I know we don't commonly think about that, but perhaps we should, because there's a lot of yarns that come out of foreign countries that are not safe for our babies in that way. And our FDA doesn't really check for it. Anyways, he also came out and made it in little 25-gram balls because babies don't need all that much yarn for their clothing. Now, we have it 20% off right now so that you got a good deal going, and you get this pattern for free if you buy 6 balls or more right now. And this pattern is really fun to work with. It was designed by Kathy Gomez. You have lots of options. It's a little raglan sleeve. You have the option of making it a tunic, which is this length here. You can stripe your body, you can stripe your sleeves, you can create long sleeves, and you can create short sleeves. So you can mix and match it however you would like to do. It comes in the sizes of 12-month, 18-month, and 24 months, I believe. And that pattern will be free when you buy 6 balls of the yarn. We have also, number 2 on our list is this here. This is called Loome Party. This is a book. And what makes this book so special is that not only are there, like, I don't know, 40, 50 different ideas of what to do with looms in here, but there's also a loom in the back of the book. So this would be a phenomenal gift for a grandchild, a child, anybody who's home right now stuck not knowing what to do, because you get the piece of equipment that you need to make the projects, and you get all your projects all in one place. Loome Party. Item number 3. We have some more bags for you. These project bags, although we did not develop the actual print pattern, these are also project bags, and this one has sewists in mind. It actually has sewing machines on it, patterns, rulers, buttons, thread, all different kinds of things. And to cinch it all together, we were very clever, and we used a tape measure ribbon. So fun little bag. It's made out of a canvas, 100% cotton. It's lined with red, and as you notice here, you can actually, if you flip over the top, you can actually turn it into a bag. That's how sturdy it is because of the heavy canvas that was used. Now we have 2 more things. One is our fabric. That is another canvas that we've got going for us this week. This one is actually, it's really fun. It has all these fun little sayings on it, like happy and sleepy, grind coffee beans, start the day with a good breakfast, coffee clutch, always look on the bright side. I mean, a whole bunch of little inspirational sayings. And then to top it off, there's really cute little Frenchie dogs on it. It comes in a navy blue and it comes in a green. It's 100% cotton canvas, and it's made by Koka in Japan. And then number 5 on our list are these really fun buttons. They're chill buttons, or we're calling them chill buttons. One actually says chill on it. One has a smiley face on it. One has your favorite cocktail, a martini with an olive in it. And then one, well, if you're in some states, the substance is legal. All these buttons are things, you know what? It's Labor Day weekend. Most of you, or I hope a lot of you, actually have a 3-day weekend, because Monday we're honoring all of us Americans who work so hard on a continuous basis to keep our country going. And I really hope that you will chill out this weekend. Buy some buttons. I mean, what the heck? They are half price right now because they have been discontinued, unfortunately, but we do have them in stock. Last but not least, and I know I'm on number 6 again. I always go over, don't I? We actually have a cable class. And that is being led by our very own Kyle Kunicki. And if you have never knitted cables before, or you need a refresher course, I mean, here's a beautiful piece with some cable work that Kyle created. This is a perfect class for you. You can find all of these items on our newsletter with direct links to the website as to where you can find information, and you can always feel free to call us in the shop here as well. So we hope that you all have a 3-day weekend. For those of you who do not, I would presume you're some kind of an essential worker, and we thank you very much for working. But for those of you who do, chill out, have some fun, relax. Yeah, just do something great. And we'll see you next Tuesday. Ciao.